CryptoEL here, welcome. Today we're gonna talk about a new platform, GMGN.AI. I'm gonna show you in a second. First of all, subscribe to the channel and let's start with the video. So, as you can see here, this platform is same as DEX Tools and DEX Screener. You're probably using DEX Screener, I'm gonna show you in a second. You've been using it for your whole life in crypto. So here is shown what kind of better things GMGN has. They are fast on chain, they have copy traded. I'm gonna show you in a second how to trading. You can put stop loss, sell profit, and all of that. You can see. Let's simply start with it, but let's see what actually they have. So first of all, there will be a link in the description. It is a referral link. You're gonna help the channel this way. If you would like, I'll be grateful. So just go there and connect. It's better to connect with Telegram. You can connect simply by your Phantom, but on the Telegram, I'm gonna show you in a second. You simply click that, start bot. I already done that, but you click start. And those are the wallets, and you click login website. Here is better somehow because they have sniper bot and you can do it on your phone, but the platform has so many other things. So just log in. I'm logged in, as you can see, it worked out. And here is the sniper bot that you can use. This one sniper bot. Simply, this is it. So what they actually have that is better than DEX Screener. Probably you know DEX Screener, what it is. How even back in the days, how many other websites you should open, like a check, like to check the bundles and so on, simply to check if a meme coin is a scam, and in 99% it is. So it's pointless even to check. But if you're looking to find at least a coin that can make you some profit, here you can find it. As you can see, there are so many things. This thing, the blue chip index, is the ratio of holders who also own blue chip tokens. What that means could be turned into a pool, something like that. I'm not completely into that topic, but you can research more. Here you can see the dev sold everything already. You can see here the dev bought what 5,000 and sold 1,500, something like that. So he can pump his own coin. Here you can check the traders, the holders, 16k holders. That's mental. What we're looking right now is the buy and sell. You can check how many times they sell. This is mental, but never mind how many percents they own, the actually dollars, and everything. Interesting. So what else? You can check their P&L of their own. You can check their profiles, and here you will see this wallet actually lost 50k in the last 7 days. Interesting. And you can copy this wallet. It's not recommended because this wallet lost too much money, but could be the dev, and simply because, as you can see, this guy buys, sells, does whatever, and you can copy trade. You can copy him. Max buy, you can put simply max buy amount, but here that means that let's say if you put 5,000 like dollars, it's too much, that's on so you put, let's say, $1,000 or something, and on max buy amount, that means that it should copy their trades with the amounts. Let's say he put 5k, you should put 5k as well, but this is not recommended. As you can see, you can read it here. So the fixed amount is no matter how much the target address buys, copy by order will be made according to the fixed amount. You simply put, let's say 0.5, 0.05, so $10, and he's gonna buy those $9.25 every time when the wallet enter. And you can simply click auto sell, and when he sell, you will sell as well. This is something that was missing in the screener and in so many other places. So this platform is probably the new meta. We'll see. As you can see here, those wallets have, what is that? 200k, 100k, 200, 300k, that's PNL 5k%. So this wallet is 5000% in the 7 days period. The previous 7 days, there are only 2 wallets like that, or I don't know, not sure. So you can copy trade this wallet, and here you can see how he never make actually losses. He never have a losing streak. He's only gaining. But you have to be careful, because some of those coins could farm your own tokens, because if you copy trade them, they're probably like they can use you for liquidity or something. I'm not completely sure about if they are actually earning also something from you. So those are like the first things, and it's so much better than every other platform that I've been using that it's mental. Here you have those platforms like the chains, you can use the base, the ETH, of course, the Blast, the Tron. You have what? New pairs. As you can see here, we have new pairs on Pump. Those are new pairs that are coming out every second. As you can see here, every 5 seconds or something. Burnt. That's when those are getting burnt. It's so good. Also, what we have here, the creation of the token. That's where the token is completing, so it's becoming the 70k market cap, because in pump.fun you have to reach 70k to graduate, and when graduate you will be listed on Radium, and with that you're gonna be index screener as well. So a lot of people will see you. And we have the ones that are completed already. As you can see, there should be some percentages. Here are 100 because they are already completed the phase. So you can simply somehow manage to find the better and the ones that will survive and will make you profits. You simply have to look around a little to use it for, let's say, a week or 2 or a month, or start using it frequently in your journey, because this is the best opportunity right now in the market. And if you simply, here I didn't talk about that, but here you're seeing those, the audit, mint authority disabled, no frozen, it's not frozen, it's burnt, 199.99, most of them are 100 or close, you have to check it if something, but if it's yes, that means most of the coins are burnt and it's more secure. Top 10 holders have, you see those percentages, those are if it's less than 30, but I can say if it's less than 10 because we've seen a lot of things. And here, insiders, okay, insiders holding quantity is 0 of the total, and you can see the depth. The depth, if he added or he sold already. If it's sell all, he sold already. Here you can see, and those are here as well. Crazy. You can see the dev sold 2000, bought 2000, and the coin still going. So probably he don't have anything right now. Here you can check what are those and where actually they bought from. See the Trojan bot, the Photon, and so on and so on. This guy bought from this platform. As you can see, rug pull, 100% rug pull. Got rug pull right now? Don't know, but it will rug pull. And you can check simply by a little look around, you know. It will show you the audits, the everything, and here the burned. So it's so much better rather than going to reg check and checking the bundles and so on and so on. Here you can see reg pound, you unknown, 6,000 holders, crazy. The liquidity, the market cap, and you can find out here the market cap. You can store them somehow and to see for what 20 minutes, hour and 20 minutes, it's been only going up. And as you can see, this is kinda, and it's sniped by a lot of people, 40 out of 70, not sure. So most, that's 70 snipers, yeah, or it was 70, not sure, but 39 of those snipers are holding. Top 10 don't have much of the tokens. And here one of the most important things is their own websites, their socials, the X, the Telegram. Smack me, okay, that's not for everyone. But here you can see the hippo. I'm not logged in right now, but this platform is giving you so much advantages over other people. And here, as always, I'm showing the statistics of the platform. You can see how in September it was 1 million people, right? In the October 3, and in November 10 million. So right now in December should be could be twice as much. And from the next year this platform will dominate. So take advantage, don't hesitate. This one has so many advantages. You simply has to look around to find out what's working actually, and you can do money with all of those things. The copy trading, you can simply put, let's say, $5, $10, $20, and by copy trading the right strategy or simply looking and finding the gems, you can actually make some money, or at least give your best and try, because it is worth it. If you are looking for that and you love crypto, don't hesitate. Thank you for your time and see you soon.